everybody, welcome to my video today. I want to show you really quickly how I'm putting together all of the teacher gifts for Valentine's Day. This is a really simple gift that I'm doing. I have a few supplies here, and let me show you what the gifts are and then how I'm going to package them up. So the first thing that I have a simple notebook from Becky Higgins for each of the teachers. I've just picked out a few designs that I feel like will best suit each of the teachers. And so I have a simple notebook. I love that Becky Higgins notebooks. Well, first of all, I just love her notebooks. I love all of her designs, and I use these for lots of different things. I love the size of them. And then I also love that they come wrapped in this plastic. That is really nice, so that I know the notebook stays nice. So I have a ton of these on hand that I give out for gifts all of the time, and they make really amazing teacher gifts. So then there's a little thing on the back, so if the teacher ends up really liking the notebook and they want to get more of this with this size, they'll know where to get it. So all I have is this clear bag. Now, because of my business, I have tons of these in all different sizes, and I'll link to where I get them. And so they just come in handy for lots of different things. So I'm just gonna slip this in here. So Becky Higgins notebooks are $7.99, I believe. So there's that. And then what I did is in the Target dollar spot, I picked up these list pad magnets, or these actually might have come from Michael's. Either way, you can find these in lots of different spaces. The Target, like dollar spot, the Michael's has them. You can probably even find these at Walmart. I picked up 3 of them for the female teachers, and then there wasn't, like, I feel like these are kind of a little bit girly. So what I did is I was actually at TJ Maxx, and I found one that's a Ray Dunn style, and it's very simple. And so we have one male teacher in our lineup this year, and so I grabbed that one for him. So I'll put that on top there. And then I'm including my favorite pen, which is the Tool pen, and it's a brand new pen. I buy these in the packages, and again, whenever I give the gift of the notebook, I always put like a pen on top. I just feel like it completes the gift, and so I'm gonna slide that in on top like that. The great thing about these bags is that they have adhesive on them, and then I can just close them like so. Now, to kind of fancy this up a little bit, because of the way the adhesive is on here, what I'm going to do is I took a piece of designer paper. This is, I just cut it in half. So the 12 by 12 paper, this is the Valentine's paper from my heart. And I cut it in half so it was 6 by 6. I'm going to put it right over that flap. I'm going to flip this over, and you're going to notice right away that it does not go all the way to the edge, and that is okay because I have a fix for that. And I'm totally out of tape, so I'm going to have to use packing tape. Totally don't mind my funny packing tape. I'm just out of Scotch tape. And that is because of Andrew, who loves to come get my tape and use it for all kinds of things. Oops, I ripped that paper. That's okay. Okay, so we have that. So now what we're going to do is take, this is just tissue paper. We all have tissue paper all around our house, I'm sure. I grabbed some white. I was wishing that I had some pink, but I just had white. So I'm going to fold this, and I want it in like thirds because I want it to be a thinner strip. That's how I decided how I would fold it, is I just wanted a thinner strip because this in the back, I mean, I think it looks a little bit, you know, funny. And so what I'm going to do is just add this tissue paper. It's not going to be perfect. That's still going to show, but, you know, this fancies it up a little bit. And it's really inexpensive. So I'm just going to put some tape here. And then we'll fold it over, and we'll put tape there. Just like so. And then now what I'm going to do is, you guys know that I love my ribbon, and one of my favorite things to do is get ribbon off the clearance rack. And this ribbon is from several years ago. I loved this ribbon, and I am sad to say that I am working off my last few rolls. I think I have a black roll left, and then I have this red one. This is great for gift giving. And like I said, one of my favorite things to do is grab ribbon off the clearance rack. And it's super inexpensive, and I have a whole tub of it. And it still coordinates with lots of our colors that we have for Stampin' Up. And so I find that I can use it still. And then we'll just trim this up. And then I'll just tuck a card right in like that. And then with these treats, I will add either one of the chocolate goodies that I made, or something like, I probably will add that. And then I also do my sugar cookies for Valentine's Day as well. Each of the teachers will get a little tin of sugar cookies as well. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this super simple Valentine's Day gift, and you can do this for anybody. You don't have to do it for just teachers, but it's super simple. And then I also love the way it's just a simple packaging. Makes it look really pretty and simple, and I love it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll be back tomorrow with a Memory Keeping Friday. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.